2017 Colorado wheel speed sensor replacement. The wheel speed sensor is located in the hub. I'm doing the driver front right now, and it is held by a T20. And follow the route for it. It goes all the way back here, and they have this shield. You need to remove the shield too, by the way. All right, let's do this. All right, I'm sorry, it was a T27. So let's break it free right now. Alright. And there is a 10mm back there you need to remove from the back of the knuckle. We're gonna remove this one here. And this one out. And pull the shield all the way off, and let's plug it off. Like this. And now let's unplug it. It's out. Here is the part number for the new one right now. Right? Let's put the new one in. Alright. And bring it up in. And we need to put the 10mm in the back of the knuckle. And pop this trim piece in. This in. Pop it right here. Alright. Now let's plug the connector in. And pop the white trim piece in the frame. And put the shield over it. Just like that, it's all done, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.